You can wire both the C terminal and batteries at the same time, so long as you follow proper wiring and charging rules. When combining a wired C terminal feed with batteries for dual power, tie into the system ground common and make sure the battery positive connects through the designated charging or isolation circuit rather than directly paralleling the C terminal output, which is usually a supervised power output. Use a proper charging device or the system's built-in charger so the batteries receive controlled current and float charge without overcharging. Verify voltage compatibility so the battery bank nominal voltage matches the control panel or device expectations, and include a fuse or breaker sized for the battery positive conductor to protect against short circuits. Install a diode or an automatic battery isolator if there is any risk of backfeeding into other equipment, which prevents reverse current when mains power is present. Periodically measure float voltage under steady state and measure charge current during transition from mains to battery to confirm proper behavior. If the device manufacturer provides a battery connection diagram, follow it exactly, and, when in doubt, consult a licensed electrician or qualified technician to confirm safe integration. A frequent mistake is tying battery positive directly to a supervised C output without a charger or isolator, which can cause incorrect supervision signals or unpredictable battery charging. Avoid this by using the manufacturer recommended charging path. Another common issue is mismatched voltages or mixed cell chemistries, which leads to poor battery life or failure. Match voltage and chemistry and replace entire packs together so cells age uniformly. People also forget to add overcurrent protection and proper wiring sizes, which risks fire or component damage. Install fuses or breakers at the battery positive and use cable sized for the continuous and fault currents. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to dual power installations like this, and our discussion community lets users ask practical questions and share field experiences. We connect contractors seeking work with homeowners looking for services, so both sides can find relevant matches and real-world advice.